Today is day 3 of vlogging this process. My parents are coming into town today to baby me and treat me like a child, so I'm going to allow that because I'm in a season of anybody who wants to help can help. And I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to allow people to love me and help me because obviously I deserve it. So let's get into this morning routine. As y'all know, we got the My God on today. He be acting like he's just starving. But I'm going to take him over to wash him, bathe him real quick. So he's all nice and fluffy and smells good when my parents get here. And yeah, let's get this morning routine started. So as y'all know how we get down. I wonder what, oh, the apple, okay. I was like, why is this brown at the top? Because I juiced apples. So this is ginger root, apples, cucumbers, and dragon fruit. Who is this? So this viral hair vitamin, multivitamin from TikTok shop, I've been taking it. Got your girl hair growing like crazy, so I'm gonna shake that up. Take a little shot of it. It do taste a little bit like medicine, so we're gonna chase it with the sea moss and the juice and the papaya seeds. Lord have mercy. This actually isn't bad, but these papaya seeds gonna take me through that, take me through that. Toto ate that food like a hostage. Okay, these papaya seeds, you gotta get them down with water. So I take a little spoonful, just like this, y'all see? It look like what, caviar or something? Ugh. Every morning. This helps with digestion. If you think you stopped up, you got a boo-boo, here you go. Gotta swallow them whole, y'all. Now we're gonna take some sea moss. This is the brand I use. I buy it at Sprouts. I wanna say it's like 30, 40 bucks, but it lasts you about a month, so. Okay, so 2 spoonfuls of sea moss every day. With my juice and my papaya seeds and my Mary Ruth's multivitamin. When I tell you I be having so much energy, I'm up all day. I used to be taking naps and stuff. I don't even take no nap no more. Well, I took a nap a couple days ago because I just moved into my new place and I was exhausted from the move. But now I'm energy levels through the roof. So yeah, my parents are texting me that they're on their way here. So they will literally be here in like, I don't know, maybe 4.5, 5 hours. I'm pretty excited about that because my couch, all my furniture is coming today. My couch wouldn't fit, so I had to order a new one. That's coming today. And I'm really excited about that. So I'm actually gonna walk over and scrub it up my baby. I'm gonna let him go to the bathroom and everything at the dog park, and then I'm gonna get him washed up so he can be ready to, I hope he act like a decent citizen, but we'll see. He been giving crackhead energy lately. I'm gonna pray about it. I'm about to give Toto a bath. He's running all over the place trying to not get caught. Little does he know, I'm about to wash that ass. Stinking butt. Come on. Good job, buddy. Oh, you can't get out yet. Look at my little rat baby. Oh, I got you, buddy. Alrighty. I know. You are a handful, buddy. Okay, unfortunately the blow dryer doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to take him home and hand dry him. This will be interesting. This guy. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Let's see if I can get you to act right. For a few minutes, just a few minutes. There we go, okay. Don't start wiggling and stuff. Come here. Toto. Toto, stay. Stay. Come here. He finna start acting up. Okay. It's not that crazy. So I put this deodorizing pet spray on before I blow dry him. It's kind of like a blowout, you know, condition before the heat. All of this, of course, is pet friendly, so he's not being harmed in any way. But he's just gonna smell super good. Alrighty. Toto, please act right. That's it, buddy. See? That's it. Y'all, he hate this part. Oh, okay, all right. Okay, Toto. Hold on, let me just get the tail. And then you can go. Okay, go, 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 go. All done. All done, buddy. You got the zoomies? You got the zoomies? Okay. Okay. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hey, Jabu. Hi, you all clean. Look at my clean baby. My clean baby. Toto, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, Jabu. Toto, come here. Toto, come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Hi, buddy. Oh, look at my baby. You so clean. Ah, Toto. He did all that crying and look how handsome my baby is. And we both got beautiful skin. Go get him. Go get him. Yeah, so that's my Thursday. I'm taking a shower yesterday morning. Why I smell something, smell like it burning. I come downstairs. This man in the kitchen frying Brussels sprouts at 8 o'clock in the morning. Lord have mercy. I can't make it up. I couldn't write a better script if Tyler Perry gave me a budget. Okay, so the parents are here. And they're downstairs cooking. So let's go downstairs and see what they're working on. My mama, she here making some corn. And just disregard this cinnamon swirl thing. We eating healthy though. And then this right here where the magic happens. My daddy over here, boy, about to throw that thing on the grill, boy. About to put that thing on the grill. This is behind the scene footage. I had to get the grill ready. Putting the corn on there. Look at the corn on there.
I want my fire to start rolling a little bit.
Oh, okay. The fire got to roll a little bit, y'all. We're going to come back in a second. And as you know, today's content is sponsored by Reynolds Aluminum Foil Wrap. Today's content is also sponsored by Coleman's Coolers. It's the only way to grill, y'all. You need to put some on ice, get you a Coleman. That's the best way to do it. I'm gonna film that part too. He said as you can see the fire down off right now. I don't know if we can see it, but we're gonna look at back on the tape. We're gonna see what happened. Let's just do this the easy way.
I got a lot of stuff quick.
I'm cooking a little quick.
Ooh, we put it over here now, see, it's a little hot right here in the middle.
I see.
So we're gonna put it over here on the side. We're gonna let it stay hot over here in the middle. We just cool it down just a little bit.
Okay.
Look at that.
I got some burger right there.
I'm ready there, baby. I'm ready there right there.
I'm finna tear it up. Burgers. The macaroni.
Before we get started eating,
It's about 7:30 a.m. Sunday. My parents have left for the weekend. They left probably a little over an hour ago. They like to drive early in the morning like that. Key takeaways from this weekend. They will be staying in a hotel next time. Because there was no reason for my daddy to wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning cooking Brussels sprouts. There was no reason for him to do that. And then he just, you know how parents come to your space and they just like, oh, you used to do this when you was a kid, and now you see how I feel. And I'm like, okay, we're not gonna do that, okay? Because we're all adults here. I think that'll be the next, one of the next videos I dive deeper into, because I see this commentary a lot. About the dynamic between parents and children. So as always, I'm happy to have my parents here. They're a joy. They came and they cooked. They bought me groceries. I told you I'm spoiled. I'm gonna always be spoiled. As long as my parents are living, I'm going to be spoiled. But because I had what I needed, right? If I need something, they're gonna give it to me. If I ask for something, they're gonna give it to me. They're gonna find a way to make it happen. Because I also don't have unrealistic expectations, which is another reason why it makes it so hard to date. Because y'all talk about what do you bring to the table, honey? My father built my mama a house. You want me to argue with you over a table? Be gone. Okay, stay tuned because we got more content coming soon. I'm excited about this journey, and I hope you guys are too. I never tell y'all stuff about myself, but here we go.